This is FUNMAT. It's a fan. It takes about 10 hours to fully charge. It provides 8 through 200 hours of use, depending on how you use it. It auto oscillates, has a double tri-blade, is a table fan, and it could horizontally rotate within 45 or 90 degrees and 360-degree rotation to suit your needs. Let's demonstrate that and show you what they're talking about. If you look at the fan, I could take the actual unit and I could rotate it over 180 degrees. And I could rotate it this far. And the reason for that is you want to be able to hang your fan up because underneath is a hook. You simply open it up and you could adjust it to any angle you want. It has controls on the bottom side of the unit and it has a remote control, as you can see here. The remote control slides into the side of the unit over here so you don't lose it and it doesn't push out. On the other side is going to be the USB charging port for the power bank and to recharge your unit up to 10 hours. Take in the cable, plug it in, find something that needs to be charged. The unit comes on and charges the unit up. And there is the power, 75% use. On the unit, it's got the 45 degree and 90 degree oscillating lights. It has the battery percentage of 25, 50, 75, and 100, sleep mode, oscillating, the fan, the light, and an L button. It has a timer of 1 all the way up to 8 hours. It has speeds 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I hit the timer button, nothing lights up. If I hit the light button, it lights up. If I keep pressing the light button, you can see the increments of lights. If I hit the fan button, both fans will spin on. I hit it again, it increases to the speeds, as you can hear, and then shuts off. The unit has 2 fans, one in the back, one in the front. The remote control is very simple to use. It has the off button. If you press the button facing towards the unit correctly, it will light up and turn on. You have a sleep mode that should be awfully quiet. And I'm not sure how these things operate, but I am pressing the buttons. There is the fan, and there is the sleep mode, nice and quiet. We have oscillating mode, 45 degrees to 90 degrees. Press it once. Press it again. You can see the shortness of the throw. There's a cancel, and you press it again, it'll shut off and stay at that position. If you want to move it, you simply can move it. You can hang the unit once again. On the bottom, there's a hanger. And you could adjust the fan to any height you want. It's got some weight to it. It's not super heavy. It's a nice fan indeed. I hope this product is something that you're looking forward to cool off, especially at camping. Put it near the fire to blow some heat on you, etc., etc. When you're all done, shut it off. Put the remote control away. When you need to recharge the unit, you're going to grab the USB Type-C cable. And I have one here to demonstrate. And you plug it in to charge, and the unit will charge over time. This is an excellent unit, comes in one color, does a nice job. You have an instruction guide to read up on it, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.